What is up, guys? This is Solefly Sector checking in for another video. Hope you guys are doing well, being safe, and just like that, having a Solefly day. And yeah, so hope you guys like my unboxing videos, because this is another unboxing just by the title, and it is October and another spooky, scary unboxing season, you know what I mean? So I don't want to keep it too long. We have a shirt, a hat, and a pair of shoes. Last but not least, save the best for last. And I'm so excited what I'm gonna unbox for you guys tonight. Okay. And that being said, let's get right into it. First, boom. Gotta put my gloves on, keeping the proper precautions during all this going around, and so trying to be safe. First, let's get into the shirt. You guys already know what it is after seeing that, so let's get it right into it. Yeah, so we got the new Lakers Championship 2020 Nike dry fit right there. Oh, super nice, with that black. Very nice, right? Very nice. Lakers championship, you know what I mean? Superfly. Very nice. Kobe, you're watching. You're watching from heaven that the Lakers won. They won for you and for themselves, those of them that haven't won a championship before. That's really exciting. That's the first piece right there. Very nice. We'll be wearing that soon. Okay. Ooh. Watch that. This is my first all leather snapback. I never had one. Yeah, I've always wanted one, but they're expensive. But this one wasn't expensive. So very nice. Nice quality. And Phoenix Suns, I don't go for them, but I don't really care about the teams that I'm rocking on my hats. I just care about the nice hat. That's what I do all the time. I just care about the hats or the shirts, like cool shirt, the Lakers shirt, you know what I mean? Very nice. So that's the hat. That's the other item. Now let's get into the real. Right out from Sneakers and Stuff, I won the raffle, and I was super happy because I wasn't expecting it at all. Let's get some hand sanitizer on there, and I was super happy, like I said, and I have no idea how these look. I didn't want to see other videos to see how these look. This is a Yeezy. I know I have plenty of Yeezys now, but this model is one of the best ones I mean, it's not the very first best, like best ever, no, but it's really close. I mean, it's really close. It looks like a Air Jordan, but in a Yeezy. So just having those two, a wonderful shoe, and I can't ask for more than that. So let's get right into them. As you can see by the, oh my god. So there they are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm done, man. I'm done. I'm done. Bye. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Woohoo! Look at these. Oh my god. Look at these. Dude, these are super nice. Look at that. These actually on the Yeezy supply, these actually, they did sell out, but a lot of people weren't feeling these. Why? Why? These are nice. Look at that. Look at that nice suede going on the toe box. Like, what? Why are you guys not feeling these? Come on, look at this. Oof, with that nice boost on the bottom, you know? Burp, burp, burp. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, sorry. Do they come? Okay, these do not come with extra laces. Wow. Wow. Woo. Wow. I hope I'm not overhyping of how these really look, but I am super excited to have these. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. So these are called the Yeezy Quantum Teal Blues. So this model is the Yeezy Quantum. So, but this colorway is a teal blue Yeezy Quantum. And they did make a Yeezy 700 that was called a teal blue as well, and now they made out of the Yeezy Quantum their own teal blue. You know what I mean? Dude, I swear Kanye is a genius. Those of you that might not like him all that much, I mean, I understand that as well, but I mean, he's kind of smart with his shoes and his sneaker game. I mean, his clothing, it's alright, but I mean, yeah, I'm not really a fan of his clothing all too much. I do like his, you know, little crew necks, like sweaters and hoodies here and there, but for that price is just not worth it to me. But his shoes, on the other hand, like, his shoes are unique. I mean, some of them are unique, and some are just really nice, like these, the Quantums. They really did their thing on a, like, basketball feeling. Like, that basketball Yeezy feel is just It just looks really nice on these, and the quality is there like always. I mean, sometimes it's sometimes missing the quality, but these are crazy. These are more crazy in hand than in pictures, because for one, the suede, as I already said, and the nice little like fly knit material here, and the like nylon. Oh man, the boost. It's just the whole colorway. It just really hits, and I really wanted these, but yeah, and I dropped my sneakers. So that's not that exciting. But tell me what you think about these. These are, I can't stop looking at them. These are so nice. Oh man. So guys, hope you guys enjoy this video about all the nice little things that I caught for this unboxing. Lakers. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys like hanging out with me, Solefly Sector. And please have a Solefly day today. Please, if you're new, leave a like, comment down below on this video of whatever you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one.